So basically there are two types of refractive index. One is absolute refractive index, one is relative refractive index. Absolute का मतलब is the first medium is always air. Relative का medium is one medium, not the first medium, one medium is air. Relative refractive index is two medias but other than air. That is mandatory. That is mandatory. Now this is the line which is dividing the two medias. Let us say this is the angle of incidence. Then this is the normal line. So this is the angle of refraction. So can I call this as angle of incidence, angle of refraction? Let us say this is there. Let us say this is glass now. Now you tell which is this type of refractive index happening here. What type? Absolute. This is absolute. But if the case is something like this, okay, normal line. Some medias are there. Media 1. Let us give some name. Chal. Let us tell this as water. And let us say this as glass. Now here, now see carefully. Now just see carefully how I do. This air, I will call it as refractive index 1. This glass ko I will call refractive index 2. This water ko I will call here refractive index 1. This glass ko I will call refractive index 2. Please understand and please remember, refractive index of air is always 1. Why? That also I will give proof. That also I will give the proof later. Till here clear? Till here clear? Yes or no? Refractive index of air is always 1. Always 1. Then I will give the mathematical proof of this. Refractive index of glass is N2. Refractive index of here N1, N2. Now let us get into, now we will come to know what is actual meaning of refractive index. Chalo. So, see here, everybody. How to write just here. Refractive index of 2 with respect to 1. Listen to my words. Refractive index of medium 2 with respect to, इधर ही बच्चा सफर करता है, यही refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1. बच्चा इधर ही सफर करता है समझने में सब्जेक्ट. This is the part where it becomes tricky and confusing. So please focus properly. Repeating once again. Refractive index of 2 with respect to 1. I wrote this in English. How to write in mathematical language? Refractive index of 2 with respect to 1 is N2 by N1. This is how you are supposed to write. In some books, you will find refractive index of 2 with respect to 1 upar. In some books, you will find refractive index of 2 with respect to 1 either. It is a way of writing. Different books, different way of writing. Sometimes you know it is also referred as mu. Mu of 2 with 1. Now you listen carefully here. Till here it is clear. Now listen carefully. Till here clear. Refractive index of 2 with respect to 1 is N2 by N1. This way also you can write, this way also you can write, this way also you can write. What is the actual formula of refractive index? What is the actual formula of Ri is velocity of light. Listen. Velocity of light in air or vacuum divided by velocity of light in given medium. So what we will get? Refractive index is n. Refractive index symbol is n. Just see how I am writing. Velocity of light in air or vacuum is which alphabet I told? C. Very good. It is C. And velocity of light in a given medium is V. ये refractive index का एक और formula. Now see how I will make meaning. This is not there even in the textbook because they have not interpreted like this. They have done in shortcut. In textbook they have done in shortcut. Just see now. See here. Don't write anything. Just see here. refractive index is given by refractive index of light in air or vacuum divided by velocity of light in air or vacuum divided by velocity of light in a given medium. You will ask, बोले तो see, I will tell now. This was N1, this was N2, this was I, this was R. अब आएगा field. So here what I wrote, N21 is N2 by N1. Refractive index of 2 with respect to 1 is N2 by N1. बोले तो I will also tell बोले तो light medium 2 में है और medium 1 से आया. See, refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1 बोले तो light medium 2 में है और medium 1 से आया. Light is present in medium 2 and it has come from medium 1. But what is the formula of refractive index? C by, here it is V, but here it is 2. Then what should I write here? V2 divided by, you tell now, C by V1. C ने C को मार डाला. Then what you get here? N21 is N2 by N1, that is equal to V1 by V2. टेक्स्ट बुक्स में तेरे को ये दिखेगा. टेक्स्ट बुक वाला ये डिराइव नहीं करके देता है. तो तुमको फर्स्ट पॉइंट क्या याद रखना है? रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स इज गिवन बाय C by V. करेक्ट? So refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1 is C by V2, C by V1. C ने C को कट किया. Refractive index of 2 by 1 is V1 by V2. This अकेला into और अकेला N1 is called absolute. अगर अकेला है तो, if it is alone. Example, I will give an example. See, this is relative. This is relative refractive index. Just see here. What was my rule? You only tell. What was my rule? Now you will understand that meaning. See. Now you will get the feel of the subject. When do you say the refractive index is absolute? When one medium is there. So let us say this is air. Let N1 be air. तो N1 अगर air है तो N1 का वैल्यू क्या हुआ? 1. Already told to you. Refractive index of air is 1. Focus properly. So here what will you get? N2 by N1. Correct? Listen carefully. तो N2 को क्या मैं N बुलाऊं? N2 को I am calling it as N. नाम दे रहा हूं ना. जब N1 1 है तो N2 को we will give name it as N. N2 को we will give name it as N. तो इधर N2 के बदले हो गया N और इधर N1 के बदले हो गया 1. हाँ, अच्छा. V1 तो तू बोल वेलोसिटी V1 क्या हो जाएगा? वेलोसिटी किसमें है? V1 किसमें है? एयर में. तो V1 क्या हो जाएगा? C. V1 will become C ना, because you are in air now. See, I have put some condition. Condition क्या डाला? See, this is relative refractive index. What is relative refractive index? 2 by 1. If I want absolute, what should I do? One medium को I should make it as air. तो क्या मैंने एक मीडियम को एयर बनाया? तो ये रिलेटिव अब किस में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा? एब्सोल्यूट में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. Why कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा? Because one medium को we assumed it as air. Therefore relative कन्वर्ट हो गया एब्सोल्यूट में. करेक्ट है? तो V1 नहीं रहा, V1 C हो गया. क्यों? क्योंकि तो हवा में है, एंड आई टोल्ड यू इन द डिस्कशन, हवा में ऑलवेज वेलोसिटी c, तो इधर था v1 by v2 ना, v1 क्या हो गया? c हो गया, और v2 क्या हो गया? v। जब n to n हो गया तो v2 को हम v बोल दिए, तो क्या मिला फाइनली? n c by v। भाई मैं क्या बोल रहा था? यही एब्सोल्यूट है, बट मैं सबूत दिखाया। तो क्या मैंने रिलेटिव को एब्सोल्यूट में कन्वर्ट किया? कैसे? कैसे? बाय कंसीडरिंग वन मीडियम एज एयर। तो अभी एक और डेफिनेशन आ गया, एक और डेफिनेशन आ गया। रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स इज गिवन बाय वेलोसिटी ऑफ लाइट इन वैक्यूम और एयर डिवाइडेड बाय वेलोसिटी ऑफ लाइट इन दैट मीडियम। विच इज दैट मीडियम? हियर एयर, और इधर मैंने बोला था पानी, अज्यूम कर चल। तो माय पॉइंट इज, ये रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स किसका है? हवा का है क्या पानी का है? सोच के बोलना, देख के सोच के बोलना। ये रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स n हवा का है कि पानी का है? पानी का, ऑब्वियसली। इतना क्या सोचता है, हवा का 1 है कदे? देखना, n2 को मैंने n बोला, n2 को मैंने n बोला, तो ये वेलोसिटी किसका है? पानी का। पानी का वेलोसिटी बोलना गलत है, वेलोसिटी ऑफ लाइट इन वाटर। इट शुड नॉट वेलोसिटी पानी का, पानी थोड़ी जो फ्लोवर है। वेलोसिटी ऑफ लाइट इन वाटर। तो और एक बार ओवरव्यू लेंगे। ओवरव्यू क्या है? बेसिकली देयर आर टू रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स, एब्सोल्यूट एंड रिलेटिव। एब्सोल्यूट में फर्स्ट कौन सा? तो एक मीडियम एयर चाहिए। रिलेटिव में अदर देन एयर 2 मीडियम चाहिए। अगर एयर हो गया तो ऑटोमेटिकली दैट रिलेटिव विल गेट कन्वर्टेड टू एब्सोल्यूट। उसका पूरा सबूत इधर दिखाया। रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऑफ 2 विद रिस्पेक्ट टू 1 इज n2 by n1, बट व्हाट इज n का फॉर्मूला? c by v। तो c by v2, यहां पे c by v1, करेक्ट है। सो n21 इज n2 by n1, दैट इज v1 by v2। कैसे v1 by v2? ये v1 ऊपर आया, ये v2 नीचे आया। एक मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट अभी एक स्पेशल अलग से लेंगे कि इसको फील क्या आया। अब फील पार्ट ने डिस्कस किया, बचा हुआ एक फील पार्ट है। अब वो फील पार्ट हम डिस्कस करेंगे।